Hi guys, welcome on the channel. Today I got a package and actually arrived my working bench. It is this working bench from HTM and it is used when you need to repair the main boards or some kind other boards, when you need to soldering and holding the main board, and this one is really good one. It has actually 7 pieces. You have the bottom plate, it is the plastic, it's fine. There is 11 screws, 11 possible options where you can mount actually the legs. You see here is the, I don't know, maybe M8 or something, some kind of thread, and you can easily build up. You have those, you see it is very easy, very simple. You can put it there, you can screw it inside and you are good to go. You can take another one, maybe in the corner, wherever you like it, and fits to your actual need. You can make the last one. The size is very nice because maybe you see here in the corner it is the HTM and model H208 14 to 10 inches, which is quite nice. You can hold even the big mainboard, maybe for the computer or something, so it's very nice. You can touch it here and that's it. See, everything perfect. You can put inside anything you need. So this is very lovely. I thought I bought it on the Temu or AliExpress. Definitely I will have to check it out because this one is going with the ship. They are not selling it and sending it over the flights, so it will take some time before you get it, but it wasn't so bad. I think it was like 2 weeks or something, maybe 3 weeks. I'm lost in the time, but it arrived and the price was about let me say 19 euros, something, $20. Very nice price for this piece of table that you actually need for the building and repairing things. So that's it. The link will be in the comment section below. You see here is the product size, so it is close to 400 and 280 millimeters. I think it is the best and the biggest I have found out, and definitely for me it will be solution. So thank you for the watching and bye bye.